Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ree, and today's video I'm going to be doing a tour of my studio apartment. I live in Chicago and I moved in maybe like I can't remember, but like a few months ago, and I've been wanting to do this for a really long time, but I just hadn't gotten all my furniture and all the little pieces together. And right now, and it's not really perfect, but I think it's okay for me to show you guys. I think it looks cute, so that is why I am okay with you guys seeing it for all the things that it has. Honestly, I think it looks cute. And without further ado, let's get this video started. Okay, so when you walk in, here's the little entrance, and that's where I put all my my shoes. I always have those over there for whenever I'd go out to like throw away the garbage or get mail. And then I have this little closet space. It's not it's decent. It holds a good portion of my clothes, like things that I need to hang, like my dresses and my jackets and my laundry. I have it in a plastic bag, but I need to get a laundry basket, and I am on the market for one. So if you guys know a really good one, please let me know down below. And I got these little knobs from TJ Maxx. I think there was like 4 of them for $7 or $8. I got them not that long ago, and they're cute. I just replaced the old one that the apartment came with. And let me turn on this light here. That's much better. And my bed, okay, here, let me do a full turn around. So when you walk in, the closet's there and my bed. And so this is a tiny studio. It's less than 300 square feet. So this is kind of everything really. My bathroom, that's separated, and my kitchen is kind of separated, but not really, which I do like that. So my bed, and I have like this, so this little space that I shoved my bed in used to be a closet, and I just took the doors down, and I have the doors sitting rested right there. It's hidden by my bed, so I did that so I have more storage or more space for my bed, because I didn't really have that much space. And then I put a bunch of my clothes underneath the bed. I'll show you guys. But yeah, so I got those storage bins from Menard. I forget how much they were. I got them a long time ago. And then I got these 2 mirrors from Burlington. They were each of them, it came together, both of them were 11 something. And then I got my headboard from Amazon. It was only like, it was on sale or it was refurbished or something, and they said that it had like a small stain. I don't see a stain. It was only $40 something, and it's like this light tannish color, and it's really pretty. And then I just have this comforter from Sam's Club. It's by the brand Cristiano something. And I got the evergreen. I think that's evergreen. I'm not sure. I could be wrong, but it's really pretty and rich. I got those 2 from TJ Maxx, I think I still have the tags on them because I wasn't like 100% sure. Yeah, I think it's from TJ Maxx. Yeah, and they were like $20 each of them. And the gray one, it just came with my couch, and this little white fuzzy one from Walmart for $10. And that teddycoat blanket was from Sam's Club a really long time ago. And this fuzzy throw I got from Burlington. It was only $14, and it's so nice. And okay, let's transition over to the living space. Wow, what a huge transition, right? Oh my gosh. Okay, so my couch I got from Sofamania. It's a really cute couch and it's velvet, and I got it it was on sale for, I want to say $240 or something like that. And it's an okay couch. It's not very comfortable. It's not a couch that you get for comfort. It's just a couch. It's cute, and it's not very sturdy either. One of the legs broke actually, and I'm not like I'm not a heavy girl, so for it to have like broken is kind of alarming to me, but I kind of fixed it because I went to Home Goods and I just like got some tools and I fixed it. But yeah, it's not like the best material, but it's still really, really cute if you just want to get some furniture for your first apartment or for your place, and later on you want to get like quality furniture. So in the future I'm just gonna purchase it from quality places like Value City, for example. I had been wanting one of their couches for a really long time, and I think it's like $500 on sale. I think originally it was like $750 or something. But yeah, that is quality that will last you for a long time, so you do get what you pay for. So, and then I got these two pillows from TJ Maxx as well, and I think they were both they came together they were like $19.99. And then this little desk, or sorry, this table is from IKEA. It was $50, and the candle that my sister got me is from White Barn, I think. Yeah, White Barn, in the scent Cactus Blossom. It smells so good. It smells so good when it's burnt. And then I got this little flower holder thingy from the dollar store. Honestly, it's great quality, and because I know that like big places will sell them for like Michael's, for example, will sell these for like $10-15 when the dollar store sells them for $1. So, and then these flowers I got from Jewel Osco. They just go with the theme of, you know, the aesthetic of what I have going on, and these smell really good. I just like to have fresh flowers instead of just artificial ones, just because they give your place a more of like, I don't know, quality. Just looks cuter. Okay, and then we're gonna move over to this section. This is kind of like where my office, kind of office-y space is. And I just got this chair. I'm not sure where it's from. I got it from my parents, but it's cute, but I do need to replace it because it's like kind of broken and it's like peeling a little. And then I got this desk here so you guys can see it. I got this desk from Amazon for $80. It used to have drawers, but the drawers broke, so I just took it down. So I don't recommend this desk, but it's cute because whenever I do my makeup, because it's high gloss, that you don't ruin the top part of it. However, if you put anything hot onto it, it does damage the surface. Yeah, I did that and it did damage, where is it? Here or somewhere here, like it got damaged. And then moving on over, oh okay, and this little mirror, this desk mirror I got from TJ Maxx a long time ago. It was only $14, and this floor lamp was from Burlington for $34, and this mirror was from IKEA for $12 or $13. Super cute. I just placed it there. I might move it somewhere else later on. And then these two frames, the frames themselves I got from IKEA. It's the Ribba. Sorry, I'm like dying. It's the Ribba type of frames, and then I just have the 2 prints from IKEA, from Etsy, and I'll link them down below if you guys are interested. I just thought it was really cute, and this print here ties into where my bed aesthetic is, the green or evergreen. It's the same shade, and the pinkish color matches or ties with this theme here, and the white, obviously, that is like kind of everywhere throughout the room. And these 3 heads, I thought that they were really cute. It kind of gave this space a little bit more, I don't know, just cool vibes. And my dresser, obviously it's from IKEA, and I just have the glass on top of it, and it's multifunctional, like I was saying before, because I put stuff on top of it, like my TV. It's the 32 Roku, and I love it. It's great. And then I just have these little things. This little candle, there used to be a candle in there, and I just turned it into like stuff where I put my change in. And this guy, I got it from a friend. I don't know where it's from. I might change it. But I got this gloss from Five Below, and these leaves from Hobby Lobby. It was on sale. And this little guy from Goodwill. And my rod is from JCPenney, and my curtain is also from JCPenney. I got them a really long time ago when it was on sale, but it's pretty brownish tan color, great quality too. And okay, and then my kitchen, it just looks like this. It's cleaned, and yeah, and my bathtub is super clean now. Just has that. There's really nothing to see here. It's all clean though. So yeah, that is my apartment tour. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. It would really help me out. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.